back to when you were a kid. What's the one memory that makes you smile every time you think about it? Maybe it was a summer day, your first pet, or a special family tradition. Today, we are going to bring that memory to life into your writing. Let's dive into how you can write a descriptive essay about your favorite childhood memory. We'll guide you on how to make your readers feel like they are experiencing that moment right alongside you, capturing all the little details that make it special. Okay, so start by setting the scene. Where were you? Was it at your grandparents' house, in a park, or maybe in your own backyard? Describe the environment to ChatGPT. What did it look like, sound like, smell like? Use minute details to create a clear picture in your reader's mind. Now focus on the moment itself. What were you doing? Were you playing with your best friend, trying something new, or just enjoying a simple play? Describe your emotions. Were you excited, happy, nervous? Show, don't just tell how you felt. Step 3. Adding sensory details. Don't forget to include sensory details. What did you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell? Maybe you remember the feel of the grass under your feet, the taste of your favorite ice cream, or the sound of laughter. These details make your memory come alive on the page. Step 4. Reflecting on the memory. Finally, wrap up your essay by reflecting on why this memory is so special to you. What does it mean to you now? How has it shaped who you are? This reflection adds depth to your essay and helps your readers connect with your story on a personal level. Act as an English writing expert. My professor assigned me writing an essay about my childhood memory, but I am confused. Your task is to help me write a descriptive essay about my favorite childhood memory. Now, this placeholder, we have to replace this according to our own requirements. Start by setting the scene as we discussed in step 1. Describe the moment in detail. Step 2. Include sensory details we discussed in step 3 and end with a reflection on why this memory is meaningful to me. Make it engaging that builds emotional connection with readers. So here's an example prompt. We'll copy and paste in ChatGPT and let's see what's the result. You can also tweak the prompt according to your requirements. Let's say its wording is difficult, so we can write as I am in 5th grade. Use simple wording or use, you can say, easiest wording, easiest vocabulary, whatever you can write. So let's see the difference. Here you go. With this approach, you will be able to write an essay that not only tells a story but also brings your reader right into that special moment with you. Remember, the key is to make them feel the emotions and experience the memory just as you did. If you didn't watch my previous videos on prompt engineering series, so playlist link is in description, you can check it out and become a pro.